It's Sunday, about 10 in the morning. Went and dropped that check off at Les. Ran over to Walmart and got some cookie stuff for Ashley's work, and then got some sauce to make buffalo wings. We already had the buffalo wings. And Ashley's already blasted out of her mind.
You can't put that on YouTube.
What?
Because
it's just a couple Bloody Marys. I don't think anyone gives a shit about you being drunk on Sunday morning. So we're gonna go in and make a little bit more, mix something or other. Since it's the first day off in a while.
And order pizza.
Yeah, she wants pizza. So we'll get all messed up and eat pizza and buffalo wings and enjoy a Sunday off and do nothing. Hang out around the house, play with the dogs. Got to do a little bit of cleaning.
Get wet. But
not too bad. And it's pouring, so I couldn't do anything today. If I wanted to, it'd be too muddy. I don't want to stand out in the rain and fix a couple of trucks. Monday's gonna end up being wet, so we can do it all then. We can just actually take a day off for once.
Yep.
And Ashley's trying to stay facing Walmart. Hey, look. Look.
Oh.
Come on. Look at the camera. She was having me make her Bloody Marys. And I don't particularly care for Bloody Marys, so I haven't had anything to drink yet. But she's like, oh, let's have a couple of margaritas or something today. So 10 o'clock Sunday morning. God's gonna be real proud of her.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Alright. Just hanging out home. About to eat some enchiladas. Ashley's making hot dog on a stick lemonade in the living room. Pam Pam's giving Brian kisses. Yeah. Hi Pam Pam. My favorite puppy in the whole world. That's enough. Pam Pam. Pam Pam. Sing! Sing! Boom! Boom! Sing! Good boy. That's good singing. That's good singing. Yes. Yeah, you're good singing, Pam Pam. Sit. Sit. So I'm getting a little puppy snuggle time. He did this all on his own too. He hops right onto my chest and sits and hangs out for a little bit. We just had some enchiladas for dinner. We're calling it a night. Nice easy day at home with the dogs. Molly's just off camera wanting to play. Then my puppy gets hanging out with me. We get snuggle time together.
Hey, Brody.
Since I'm the big old softie.
Hi, Brody. Hey, Molly.
So we're calling it a night. See you guys tomorrow.